Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can improve your battery life on any Samsung device. I will show you some tips and tricks which will improve your battery life. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that bell button so you are not gonna miss any future videos. So the first thing you can do is to go to your Wi-Fi settings. You click on the three dots here up, you go to advanced, and here we have turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So what's that gonna do is when you arrive home or when you arrive somewhere where you use regularly your Wi-Fi, it will turn automatically the Wi-Fi on and not use the mobile data. The mobile data is using way more energy than the Wi-Fi, so it's good to have this on. The second thing is still here. We have the Wi-Fi power saving mode. This reduces the battery usage by analyzing the Wi-Fi traffic patterns. So basically what this does is analyze every app's Wi-Fi usage, and for example the mail app, if the mail refreshes every 15 minutes, this will know and will let it use the Wi-Fi just every 15 minutes. So it's gonna improve your battery life a little bit. The second thing you can do is at your always on display. We go there, we go to the always on display settings, and we put it to tap to show. You can put it show always or as scheduled. Like here I had it always from 7 to 12 o'clock, but if you put it to tap to show, it will reduce your battery usage because it's not gonna show your always on display all the time. So if you want to see something, you just have to tap the screen and the always on comes back. Another good way to improve your battery life is for the brightness settings. As you can see, I don't have the brightness way up for right now, but I have the adaptive brightness. This will automatically give you the best brightness you need in every environment. Another thing you can do is to go to the power mode, and here you should have it on optimized, because if you go into the power mode, as it says here, the optimize get the recommended balance of your performance and battery life, and this will really help you. And you can activate the adaptive power saving mode as well, because this will change between optimized and medium power saving, so will give you a way better battery life. Another thing you should do is in the quick setting toggles, you should always turn off all the toggles that you don't need, like the music share. If you don't use it, it's not gonna need to be activated, or any other like Bluetooth or NFC. If you're not using it frequently, you should just turn it off and turn it on when you are using it. Another good way to save some battery is to go to the settings, to the display, and here we search for the screen timeout. Now I have it after 10 minutes just for the purpose of this video, but if you want to reduce your battery usage, you should put it to 30 seconds. I always have it in 30 seconds. It's not too much, it's not too less, it's just perfect for me. You can go even for 15 seconds, but I think that's too fast. Another way to help your battery is still in the display area. Here we go down and we have the accidental touch protection. This will keep your phone from turning on the screen when you have the phone in your pocket or somewhere when you don't use it, if you accidentally touch the screen. So this is a really good idea to have it turned on. Another way to improve your battery life, and this will really improve your battery life, have the dark mode always turned on. You can have it turned on as scheduled, but if you have it always on, it will really help your battery, because all the settings and areas in your phone are dark, so these are just turned off pixels, so they are not using much energy. Another settings you can change is if you are using the face unlock, you go to the biometrics and security, you go to the face recognition, just let me enter my password, and here we have the stay on lock screen, the require eyes open, the brightness skin, and the faster recognition. The brightness skin, it will help you if you are in a dark environment, but I never use it because it always brightens really hard the screen in the night and it's not really good for the eyes. you can turn off the open eyes, because this will only use more energy to see if your eyes are open, if you want to save more energy, but keep in mind this is less secure. Anyway, the face recognition is not the most secure, so be careful. And you can turn off the stay on lock screen. Another really good settings to help your battery life is if we go to the settings, we go to the sound and vibrations, and here we're going to the vibration intensity. Here you can put the vibration intensity all the way down, or even turn it off at all, so it's not gonna use as much energy, because the vibrating motor is really using so many energy. So if you really need to improve your battery life and you don't really care about the haptic feedback, you can turn those all off, or all the way down at least. If you have a higher refresh rate phone, you can go to the settings, to your display, and here we have the motion smoothness, we have high and standard. If you don't really care about the 120 Hz, you can put it on standard, but if you care about the 120 Hz and want it on, you can still reduce your battery usage. If you go to the screen resolution, now I have it on Full HD+, but you can toggle it to HD+, and it's gonna downgrade your resolution, but will give you a much better battery life. Another good way to reduce your battery usage is if you're using the edge lighting, you should go into that, and you have show edge lighting. Here you have always while screen is on or while screen is off. I use it while screen is off, because when it's on I don't really want to have all the lightning effects, but if you want to save even more battery, you can just toggle off the edge lighting. And the last tip you should do for a better battery life, you should just put a darker wallpaper or even a black one, because most of the time you are on your home screen or your lock screen, so a dark wallpaper or even a black one is gonna use way less energy. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.